In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the search bar on Shopify. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more minimal header on your store, or you simply don't need a search function yet, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to hide that search icon using the theme editor without touching your theme's main code files. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where all of your themes are managed. At the top of the themes list, you'll see your current live theme. Next to it, look for the option that lets you edit the theme and click on that to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right and a list of sections on the left. Focus on the header area because that's where the search icon usually appears. Under the header section, look for a button or link that says Add Section. Click that and you'll see a list of different section types you can add to your theme. From the list of available sections, scroll until you find one called Custom Liquid. This section lets you add small pieces of custom code that can change how things look or behave on your store. Click on Custom Liquid to add it. Once the Custom Liquid section has been added, select it in the left panel so that its settings and options appear. In the main area, you'll see a text box where you can paste code. This is where you'll add the exact code shown in the video. Go ahead and pause the video when the code is visible so you can carefully copy it, then come back to the editor and paste that code into the Custom Liquid text box. After you've pasted the code, look at the header area in the preview on the right. You should now see that the search icon has disappeared from your store's header, while everything else remains in place. To keep your design clean, adjust the padding for the Custom Liquid section. Find the settings for top and bottom padding for this section and set both to 0. This prevents any extra white space from appearing where this hidden section sits on the page. Once everything looks good and the header matches what you want, go to the top right of the screen and click Save. That will apply your changes to the live store, and your search bar will now be removed.